Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. K. Sagaram. In the course of automobile engineering, I am delivering the topic on reboring, decarbonizing, night riding of crankshaft. So, in the process of deboring, let us see what are the tools and equipment used in the engine servicing. Engine analyzer, it analyzes where the fault is with the engine. Cylinder reboring machine, it is used to rebore or resize. This analyzes. This is used to find the defects in the engine, and cylinder reboring is used to find the size of the cylinder. Cylinder reboring machine makes exact size of the cylinder diameter. The next, crankshaft turning machine. Crankshaft turning machine is used to grind the crankshaft, and the crankshaft grinder, it finishes the crankshaft to its correct size. Valve refacing machine is used to finish the valve refaces. Brake drum turning lathe, which is used to finish the brake drum. Brake shoe riveting machine, which is used to rivet the brake shoes to the brake drum. Fuel injection pump testing machine, it tests the fuel injector. Fuel injection tester, it sees whether the diesel is injected at the correct time with correct pressure or not. And spark plug tester, this is used for petrol engines. Now, what are the factors to be considered for decarbonizing and night riding? Let us see. Flow of the vehicular traffic. Right. Where to establish this to locate the service station for this. So, the service station should be located at the place where the flow of vehicular traffic is more. Sufficient number of vehicles are to be reach the service station, right? Ease of transport facility, spare parts and lubrication should be available to the service station, and busy road, particularly in highways, because the vehicles stop at the highways only, right? So, the service station is to be kept at very nearer to highways. The major equipment used for servicing are the car washing machine, vehicle hoist, car washing machine. Yes, the major equipment for service stations are car washing machine, right? This is also called as water servicing machine. Right? Vehicle hoist. The car is to be lifted up on the platform, and from the bottom also it should be cleaned. So, it is having a hoist like this. It is having a platform like this, and on this platform the car will be placed. Right? So, from the bottom they will inject water. This is water. That is the vehicle hoist. Vehicle hoist is to lift the vehicle upwards. Air compressor. Air compressor is to provide a force of air onto the body of the car to remove the dust particles settled on the car, right? And lubrication equipment, all the parts of the car are to be checked whether they are having lubrication or not. This is provided by grease guns. The lubrication is provided by the use of grease guns, right, hand and compressed air operated high pressure lubrication. Right, with the high pressure lubricator, they will pump the lubricant into the areas where lubrication is necessary. So, cylinder boring. So, how the cylinder boring is made, right? So, cylinder boring is made like this by providing the cylinder into the cylinder like this, right? It is done like this. This is the cylinder. If you see, this is another cylinder and it is fixed in a block like this, right. This is the cylinder block, and see here, here the diameter is more, let us say here the diameter is less. That means cylinder boring is done when the cylinder diameter, inside diameter, that is called as bore. The cylinder's inside diameter is called as bore. If the bore size changes, if the bore size increases, if the bore increases, it should be rebored, that is reboring. It is done by the reboring machine, right. It is into the cylinder, they will send a boring tool, right, like this. In some cases, they will send boring tool having like this, right. This is the bore tool's end, this is the tip, you can say, cutting edge. So, with this cutting edge, we can shape the cylinder up to the correct size. Exact size of the cylinder is made. That is the process of reboring of the cylinder. This is a cylinder reboring machine. Right. So, it consists of this part is called the headstock. Yes, I will draw again. So, it is having the headstock part like this, having a single cutting edge like this. Single point cutting edge is used for reboring, right. Now, our cylinder is placed inside like this. Right, and it is given the circular motion, turning motion. Inside the cylinder bore, it circulates and removes the material, so that the uniform cylinder is made, and this one is fixed here to a long stack called tail stock. This is tail stock. This is the process going on in the horizontal boring machine. This is called as horizontal boring machine. Since it is horizontal, in the earlier slide we had seen the vertical boring machine. So, nitriding of the crankshaft is done to give strength to the crankshaft by providing at the finished surface. It is connected with the process of high carbon steels, titanium, aluminum and molybdenum are added to give more strength to the surfaces of the crankshaft. Decarbonizing means removing of the carbon which is settled during the engine's operation. The fuel which we are using for our automobiles, the diesel or petrol, is a combination of carbon and hydrogen. The fuels we are using are diesel and petrol. Right? Both these diesel and petrol are hydrocarbons. Both diesel and petrol are hydrocarbons derived from the product called petroleum. So, since this contains carbon, after its burning, a more amount of carbon is deposited on the surfaces. So, that should be removed because that is a very hard material, that should be removed, and the process is called as decarbonization. Right. How decarbonization is done? Right. Decarbonization is done like this. Let us say this is the inside of the part which a high amount of carbon is settled at the surfaces, right. So, this high amount of carbon is to be removed by sending high pressurized air into it, and this high pressurized air gets circulated inside, so and hits the walls of the container and removes the carbon particles which are stick to the walls of this engine. Right. This is the crankshaft, as we had already discussed in the previous chapter, and the top surfaces are grinded here. The surfaces are grinded here, this ones, like, right. So, that is night heading of crankshaft, and this is the process of checking of the this one crankshaft. Thank you. And about the summary, reboring is done to make the correct size of the hole, inside hole of the cylinder. Decarbonizing is used to remove the excess of carbon which is settled inside the engine. Nitriding is done to give more strength to the surface of the material. Thank you very much.